do I need to buy insurance from the rental car company, or does my own insurance cover me? It's a question we get all the time. Most of the time our clients call us from the rental car place in a mad panic saying, quick, tell me yes or no, do I need to buy it? They're trying to charge me extra for it. And they want a quick, easy answer. But here's the answer. It depends. There's a few things that you need to know in order to make the best decision. So generally with most policies, and it's important that you check with your agent, but generally most policies, the coverage that you have on your personal auto policy does transfer over to a rental car. Two things: your liability coverage, third-party liability. Those are those numbers that are something like 5,100, 100, 300. That liability coverage generally does transfer over to a rental car. So if you're driving a rental car and you're in an accident and you cause third-party damage, medical injuries, generally your coverage would transfer over in that rental car you're driving. The second thing, physical damage. Those are your deductibles, comprehensive and collision, what some people refer to as full coverage. That generally transfers over as well. So if you have a $1,000 deductible on your normal car insurance, if you're driving a rental car and damage happens, well, you would be covered with that $1,000 deductible. But there's a few caveats to that. The first thing is, we're talking personal cars. A lot of people say, hey, I'm renting a U-Haul to move. Is that covered? No, we're talking personal. Commercial vehicles like U-Hauls or any large vehicles, absolutely not covered under your normal car insurance. So that's the first thing. And then there are a few coverages that do not transfer over as well, because they're not on your personal car insurance to begin with. The main one is what's called loss of use. So let's say you're in an accident in a rental car, it's your fault, the rental car has damage and it has to go into the shop to be fixed for 10 days. During those 10 days, the rental car agency can't rent out the car, so they're losing money. Well, they're not going to lose money, they're going to pass that expense along to you, and they're going to continue to charge you the rental car fee for each of those 10 days. It's called loss of use. Your normal insurance company is not going to cover that. You're going to be on the hook for that. No matter how great your insurance is, you're going to be on the hook for that. And then the second thing that I really like about purchasing the rental car agency's insurance is if you are in an accident, their insurance pays for it. You walk away. It doesn't show up on your insurance record. It's not going to follow you around and haunt you for 5 years and raise your rates because of it. So it's sort of like you buy their insurance, something happens, you walk away. You're good. So that's something to consider. So after 15 years of experience in the insurance industry, what would I recommend personally? I would recommend just purchase it. It's not that expensive. And here's another tip. Most car insurance companies, their salesmen, they're given an extra commission to sell the insurance. So they have a little bit of wiggle room when it comes to how much to charge you for the insurance. So when they offer you that initial price, try and talk them down. Most likely you'll be able to. And so like I said, it's not that expensive. It buys you that extra peace of mind just to make sure that you actually are covered instead of thinking, I hope I am. You can get that extra coverage, that extra peace of mind, and then you don't have to worry about it. You can enjoy your vacation and all is well. So anyways, that's our recommendation. Please let us know if you have questions. But overall, the best thing to do really is to call your insurance agent or look at your own insurance policy to get all the specifics, because each policy in each state varies and it differs. So check with your insurance agent or just purchase it, and then you don't even have to worry about it. Thanks, guys.